What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Best of all, I don't have a Patreon account. I don't believe in charging people. So all I ask of you is to subscribe to this channel, enjoy these videos, smash that like button, and make sure you comment in the comment section because this is all free. This is for entertainment purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, but I show you what I'm doing, what I'm buying, and what I plan on buying. So, and I also do stock and dividend analysis videos on stocks that I own or stocks that I'm interested in. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to try to post daily videos in the next 2 to 3 days. I'm not going to be posting any just because I'm going to be out of town. But this is very interesting news with AT&T. The stock is down. It's less than $30 today. What am I going to do as a investor? What do I plan on doing with AT&T? I own this stock, okay? AT&T is a very interesting stock. I'm going to show you how it's done against the S&P. I'm going to show you its dividend history and what I plan on doing with AT&T. Very interesting in the investing community. Is this really worth it with a Roth IRA or traditional IRA, or is it worth it just for a dividend portfolio? Or if you're a day trader, what do you think? So I'm going to show you some information. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, my real talk after I show you everything and what I plan on doing with AT&T. So let's jump right now. So since inception, AT&T has not done very well against the S&P. So if you are a investor that has a traditional or Roth IRA, it's not really a stock that you really want because let's think about this. When I think of having a traditional or Roth IRA, I think of investing in a stock that's going to grow, increase its dividend over time, and I can buy more shares and I can just leave it alone. So let's just say what I would like to have or see is AT&T be like $29 a share and then grow to $150 a share and increase its dividend. And that way I can buy more shares, I can take more out, compound interest kicks in. But that's not really how AT&T is done. I mean, if you look at its trends, 30s, 40s, 20s, $28 on January 14th, 2021, $29.29, 29.29 exactly. S&P has just killed it, okay? 2,000% versus negative 50%. So if you invested in AT&T in the beginning, okay, wow, imagine buying them in 1984 at $5.29. But look at how it's done, okay, in the beginning. It's just, I always say that gator chomp, if you see the chomp with a stock, and one's going up in the red and one's in the blue, better be careful. You better know what you're doing. That's what my advice to you guys. But I found some really interesting information on AT&T. I'm a dividend investor, so I like AT&T for dividends. AT&T is a very nice stock, diversified stock that's everybody just tries to compare them to Verizon, AT&T versus Verizon, Verizon versus AT&T. Everybody has YouTube videos on them. But this is what I like about AT&T, and I'm going to show you and share some information about these guys real quick. So recently, the board of directors of AT&T declared a quarterly dividend of 52 cents a share on the company's common shares. Dividend is payable on February 1st, 2021 to the stockholders of the record at close to the business on January 11th, 2021. Additionally, the board of directors has declared quarterly dividends on the company's 5 preferred stock, blah, 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 blah. So here's the thing. The company expects to have financial flexibility in 2021 to continue to invest in growth areas, sustain the dividend at current levels, and focus on debt reduction. AT&T's 2021 financial outlook and capital allocation guidance will be provided with the company's announced fourth quarter results on the 27th of January. So everybody freaked out. Okay, they from what I saw in the news, they didn't increase their dividend, but they're paying off debt. Okay. Now look at how big they are as a company, how many countries they go after. They've generated a lot of revenue. This is a very good stock. And I'm going to show you dividend wise how it's grown as a dividend stock and why I love this as a dividend stock. So in 2013, it was 45 cents a share. 2014, 46. 2015, 47. 2016, 48. 2018, 50. You're at 52 cents a share. A 7.23% dividend yield. So usually when I look at dividend stocks, I see something about 5. I'm a little bit on red alert. And I ask myself, why is it here? Why has it not increased? Why is the dividend yield high? But this is what I like about AT&T, especially with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, which I'm going to show you right now. So my dividend portfolio has earned $345.39. By the way, there is a new referral with M1 Finance. I'll put the link in my description below. If you sign up, I'm pretty sure we get $30 a piece. You get 30, I get 30. So it's a good way to start off your dividend portfolio. And guess what? AT&T is less than $30. So if you want to start getting pretty much a free AT&T stock, there you go. So my holdings, okay, I have right now 22 shares of AT&T and 22 shares of Pfizer, okay? Now look at how down AT&T is, okay? Now I lost money with AT&T, but it's going to increase its dividend over time. So if I can get to 50, think about this, 50 shares of AT&T, which distribute 52 cents, okay? Think of how much money I can make. And that way I can fund the rest of my dividend portfolio with these other stocks, and I can start buying other stocks, okay? So this is what excites me about AT&T. It's down, okay? It increases its dividend. Again, it's 29 cents, okay? $29.29, okay? Beautiful, beautiful 5G stock, okay? It's good to diversify your portfolio. Look at this, they earn me $34.96. So imagine if you just threw $1,000 in AT&T and just left it alone. How much you could buy, how much you can grow, okay? I'm only at $652, okay, of AT&T. And of course I'm going to put more money in them. Why wouldn't I? Okay? I want this to buy more. Okay, I just created a real estate sector. I want AT&T to buy more shares and more stocks like these, and then everything's going to start buying each other. And then the compound interest is going to get in. I had a video on Seagate. Seagate's a really good company, and I wanted to kind of attack the business of like microchips and semiconductors, and Seagate is one of them. So let's think about this. AT&T can buy me any one of these stocks. Everybody's starting to increase their dividend. And I've earned, again, $345.39. AT&T has earned me $34.96. It's way down. It's time to capitalize on a dividend stock like that. AT&T is going nowhere. They're not going down. They're not going up. They are a stagnant stock that if you are an investor, you put money in, that will treat you for nice passive income in the long run as it continues to grow, gets bigger, and you just start buying more shares of AT&T. So think about it. You park your money there, you get a quarterly dividend by AT&T, and you grow. How can you not enjoy watching your stock grow and you flipping it eventually and making extra money, okay, in the long run? So that's what I like about AT&T. It's going to generate me passive income in the long run. I have a goal to make about $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends and $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends. Okay, this is highly rational. This is AT&T helps me believe in what I'm doing. I have a lot of capabilities because of AT&T because it'll buy more shares and more stocks will buy more of AT&T, or more companies will buy more of AT&T. So it's just going to grow and get me more dividends. Okay, this is going to get my dividend portfolio, which I refer to as the Death Star, bigger. Okay, I'm at 78.98%. Who cares if AT&T is down 17.65%? Who cares? You're getting income. You have a stable company. You have a company that's smart, that's trying to fix its debt and will increase its dividend over time, which I can almost guarantee. Again, I am not a financial advisor, but they have a pattern. They are AT&T, okay? AT&T is a big company. They are going nowhere. They're not going to lose. They're not going to win. They're just that stagnant one that increases its dividend over time. Now, if you are a dividend investor, that is what I refer to as a unicorn. It just goes up, price is the same, and the dividends increase. That is like almost a unicorn, man. I mean, everything's perfect. Some things I refer to as like unicorns, like they increase their price per share over time, their dividends increase. But dividend investors, this is what we love. Okay, AT&T, Altria. Okay, Altria is another one. Really hasn't gone up, but man, those dividends are beautiful, and we like that. We like to see that. Okay, everybody needs a phone. Everybody needs internet service. AT&T is going nowhere. It's just going to be like a flat line. Now this just shows you how much I buy of them. So, you know, here November 4th, it was like here, and then all of a sudden it just started growing bigger. I'm gonna be long in these guys. I'm not giving up on these guys. I believe in these guys as a company. You have to be, when you are an investor, you have to be rational. If you don't like the company, there's still some good things about them. I put money in First Energy. I can't stand them as a company, but you know what? Those dividends are nice. They generate a lot of money. They're big. So that's the thing about AT&T that's beautiful. So let me know what you think of this video. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Again, I'm not charging you at all. You're just watching my videos, doing stock and dividend analysis videos. I show you what stocks I'm interested in. I post stock and dividend analysis videos on that. I show you how much I'm earning. I show you my mistakes, the rise and fall of a private rate, the BRICS rate that I had. Lost about, I'm going to probably lose about $3,000, but I'm not too worried because I'm diversified and I have money in stocks like AT&T who are going to give me a good backup plan. So let me know what you think. Thank you again. You guys have been phenomenal on this channel, and you guys take care and have a good one.